Actually, from this area, they know very well this, particularly all the spinach type of thing, but they don't know how to use. They think this is just like grass or whatever.
Местные думают, что это вообще сорняки какие-то. Не знают.
So we have planted here,
А мы,
and we tell them specifically.
ростим и рассказываем им, для чего вообще это растение.
Yes, because these you can find anywhere. They don't know how to
Короче,
use
такие штуки
and what
вообще
are the
хоть
benefits. So here now we have another part of our treatment. This is also another part of our treatment.
это часть лечения. Вот
So
это.
we treat the patient there, and then we give advice what to take. Like this is the Brahmi.
Это брами называется.
Brahmi, it is good for development of brain.
Для головы
I need
хорошо.
that.
Actually, every brain tonic in Ayurveda in India,
You mean
they
this one?
put
This
this
one?
one.
This
This
Короче,
one.
любой тоник аюрведический для головы, вот такие штуки входят. Брами.
This one? This is cola.
Yeah, Brahmi. It's called Brahmi.
Ну
Yes.
вот,
This is slightly bitter,
немножко
but
горький.
yeah, but you can take fresh leaf,
Можно
like 2
просто
to 3 leaf
ро
every day.
сырой есть.
You can chew it,
2-3
or
листика
you can
каждый
cook
день.
it.
И можно разжевывать,
Yeah,
а можно
this-
приготовить.
Actually, this is off season. No?
Да
In the
как бы
rainy
сейчас не
season,
сезон.
they die, but in the winter, it will look very green. After maybe month, it will grow
Короче,
very
через
quickly.
месяц они вырастут. Сейчас тут не сезон, поэтому страшно. Ну, наверное, полоть надо.
We have another side for the city kids, those who are coming daily. We advise to take fresh leaf. Now they are staying here, so we tell them to take 1 or 2 fresh leaf. You have to clean it very thoroughly, and then they want to cook. It's fine. Otherwise, you can squeeze it and 2, 3, 4 drops with the spoon. They can take easily. So this is very
Короче,
important plant,
хорошее
especially
очень
for
растение.
mental issues.
Для
Like
ментальных.
insomnia also.
Для
less
бессонницы
sleep,
тоже
you
хорошо.
can take this one.
Ну и они всем
Insanity
говорят
also.
пациентам, типа 2-3 листика и кушайте в
Yeah,
день.
this one is called
Sanity,
Gokul
that's for you.
Yeah,
Khara.
it is.
This is also very valuable plant.
Mental,
Это очень
I,
хорошее тоже растение.
my ears perk up when I hear mental plants. Good for the mind.
Full
It's,
of thorn, but the leaf is very powerful. This
Короче,
is
листья очень хороши, а
good
эти
for
стебли
any kind of anemic patient. It increases hemoglobin very quickly.
для гемоглобина вот этого хорошего.
what's the name of it again?
With the river, any
What
place
name?
where the name is Gokul Khara.
Boca Hara.
А, Гокулкара. Гокулкара.
Okay. Can you turn that one for me?
रामपदन
Okay,
थोड़ा
good,
तुम
thank
वो
you.
गार्डन वालों को ये विजिट करा रहे हैं
О, мята. Мята. Скажи, супер. Вот что послушать.
This now you can take leaf, you can cook and then use it. This is for general malnutrition. If any person have malnutrition, they can take. But you have to choose tender leaf. Huh? Now this is plant for rainy season. So after maybe
Короче,
month,
надо
this will
нежные,
die.
нежные листья.
The root will be intact inside. When they
Короче,
get
они
water, then they grow.
умирают в сухой сезон, а потом опять растут.
This is African dhania, coriander.
Coriander.
Another type of coriander. You can smell it.
Это кориандр. А это шпинат, халак.
This you can chop it. You can use it just like a salad.
Как салат можно.
African coriander.
Yeah, African coriander. This has a special plant.
How do you plant? You can buy
На
the seeds.
даче.
I actually we found it in one nursery and then we bought. There are many seeds. These are the flowers. So this is you need to plant in a pot and then whole year you will get the leaves.
What's that good for?
This is kind of appetizer.
Okay.
This kind of appetizer, and with the salad you can use it, m- make taste nicer. This is also kind of creeper called jal. I have to forget. No, sorry. This is not palak. This is kalmi. This is the wrong. Yeah. Kalmi is also good for anemia. Any patient who has anemia. Actually, Anand Marga Baba said these two types of palmi. One is just like land, it will grow. Another variety it grow inside the water, which whole year water, and then they grow. Yeah, with water that is not less toxic. This has not some kind of white discharge is coming out from this. So this is not good. General people can take, but with the meditation, it's not good for brain development.
Не очень для головы. Есть водяной вариант, там он более нежный.
If you go in a local market, you will find definitely this asparagus is there. It's very popular, well known.
Короче, очень популярный это вот аспирин.
Palak is out of season, Dada. It will, in February or January, it will grow. Yeah, it's a winter or a spring plant. Now it's rainy. Yes, Jap. And this is also rich of vitamin C,
Это
called khatta
богатый
palak.
витамином С.
Another variety of palak.
Другой вариант шпината.
It has vitamin C, lots of vitamin C. This plant. It is good against any kind of cough, cold,
Короче,
some
против
kind of
кашля, против простуды.
infection,
Можешь взять?
and this is very tasty.
Очень
This
вкусная.
we every Monday we give to the kids. We provide khichdi, special food.
А,
We give this.
короче,
we add.
когда готовят кичери, добавляют обязательно вот эту штучку.
We have many place we planted that side. We planted that side.
Короче, много где они
We
посадили.
took
Потому что
every
часто при
Monday
готовке.
some of these. This is very helpful. WHO, Indian World Health Organization, also pointed with have vitamin A and C. Lots of.
Еще витамин А. И силой.
And this plant called Silohi.
Силой.
This you find only particularly Jharkhand, this area.
Только в этой зоне, вообще в других частях не распространен.
Here people are very malnourished, as Dada described. They have deficiency of vitamin D.
Как
They
это
are very
витамин
weak.
D дает.
So calcium, vitamin D deficiency, this is very good. Any kind of joint problem,
И проблема
arthritis,
тоже
osteoporosis, we advise them to take daily. This is also kind of a spinach. You can now it's also flowering, so this is also going to off season. So we have to cut it this, and then it will come up again with a new
тоже как бы
branch.
ничего.
So this is also very tasty.
Тоже
You can cook like 5 or 10 minutes. This very nice taste. We always use this. This plus this for the kids lunch we give every Monday.